the play, Trey.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Andre Allen, back for another episode of Life After 9 to 5 with Andre Allen. And today was day 2 of the renovation at the property site. And today I got some footage. They basically removed all the carpet out the property. They did some pressure washing inside the interior of the home to remove any mildew and any type of debris that was hard to get out. They did a pressure washer inside. Also, they plugged up any, holes or dings inside the walls. They plugged that off. They basically prepped it for painting. So the guy said they're gonna start painting tomorrow. So I went and got some paint today. Went to Lowe's and bought some paint, so primer, all that kind of stuff, everything that they needed. So they're all good to go and ready to paint for tomorrow. So here's a little footage I'm going to show you. Just got probably about a minute, a little bit over a minute of footage to show you. It wasn't much today, much to it. But yeah, this thing is coming right along. I can't wait for the finished product. So check it out. Okay, day 2 of the renovation project at the rental property. You see they pulled up all the carpet and looking at the walls, plugging up all the holes in the walls. Did some pressure washing, cleaning up, and start paint tomorrow. Coming along. With the God flow, it's your choice product pretty soon. It's all love though. I'm not the judge, bro. I'm A-double Andre Allen Kulasado, anointed hustle with God's muscle. I run the ball of the gut with no fumble. All the carpet that was here. Authentication, it's all real. Grabs a minute to my clients when I strike a deal. H-Town, HGX, homie, we been trill. Man up at a certain age, and I'm still ill. I've seen dreams, seen but not seen. Is this one thing? Believe was supreme being. God had the scene, rise like a queen, slave to a king. Faith is the thing, cause he's got C. 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 God's got. All right, coming along. Life after 9 to 5. Come along. See. I've been patiently waiting for that's day 2. Wrapping up. We'll be ready for day 3 tomorrow. Eagle of pitch. Which one holds your vision? Find your way through the maze. And we're back. So what did you think of what you saw there? The guys say they're going to start painting tomorrow, so we should start seeing some paint tomorrow. And man, this thing is shaping up. I just can't wait. Okay, so that's Life After 9 to 5 with Andre Allen. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, chill to the next episode. Peace.
Run the play, Trey.